Hello, good morning, everybody. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. Wherever you are, it's time to join our live class. Ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, ọ bụ oge isonyere anyị na oge ihe ọmụmụ nke iru na iru nke anyị na-eme na ndụ n'onwe anyị. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. Wherever you are, you're a member of the channel. It is time to come on board and let's begin our live class today. Normally, we use this live class to challenge ourselves to listen to Igbo language spoken orally, try to understand what is being said, and possibly translate them to show you have a better understanding. So, this class is always a time of drilling ourselves to measure our level of progress over time. We may have been watching Igbo language teaching videos all along, but we want to see how much we can pick Igbo language, what is being spoken to us in the passing, or just as we're having a normal conversation. So here we engage in direct conversation. So it's nice to always be here every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. I wish all our members to come in now and let's begin this class. So if you are a friend of Igbo, you are born by Igbo parent, married to Igbo, engaged, you have any business association with Igbo people, and you want to understand better, this is where to be. By the way, this is for channel members, but in case you are watching it when they have been uploaded to our homepage, made public, you need to know that for you to participate in the live class, you must be a member of the channel. So do well to join our channel membership so you can be part of the live class. So wherever you are, join us now. If you are watching a replay, try to swipe to the left so you can watch the chat replay as they are, coming in as if you're on live. But if you are here now, that's nice to know. So Katrando, are you here now? You say you are ready. Confirm you are still in the class and you are hearing me loud and clear. Katandos. Did I even pronounce it well? Is it Ketando or Katando? Are you here? If you are here, please confirm you are still here. You were in the class before the time, and please confirm if you are still available. If you are still here now, Ketando, are you here? Please, if you are, let me know that you are here while we await others to join up so that we can start the class in earnest. Yes, who is in the class now? Who is in the class? If you are seeing me now and you wish to be in this live class or you're hearing me and you wish to be here, the first thing to do is to join our channel membership. That is what gives you access to our live classes. So do that today. Aside this every Saturday classes, which will come to you free of charge if you're a member of the channel. We also have our ebooks that are given to you free of charge. Right now, we have a free ebook in the members pack package. So you just go there and get your ebook if you're already a channel member. Let's do that today, and we'll be glad you did. So where are you, Katandos? Are you here now? Who is in the class? Yes. Who is ready for this class? Who is in the class? Indicate you are here. Indicate you are here in the class. If you are, drop your chat, drop your greetings, tell us ndewo, no, dalo, and let's know you are here. Yes, I'm waiting. Channel members, you do well to join up as quick as possible so we can start today's class and be able to cover as much as we can. Yes, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you to join up now. Where are you? Let's come to class. Still waiting for you to join up, join up, join up. Yes, who is in the class? Who is in the class? I am waiting. Who is in the class? Okay, Princess Ezenwa, you're welcome to class. That's fine. There you go, Princess. Yes, who else is in the class? It appears Ketando is no more here, or she posted this before the class began. Ketandu, if you are still here, let me know you are still here. Ndewo, Princess, kee imere? Princess, kee imere o? Otego nụrụ olu gị. Yes, let me be sure you are hearing me reply to my greeting, my question, and let me be sure you hear me loud and clear. Yes, Princess, kee imere? I wait your response to that. Aha, great. That means you are hearing me very well, loud and clear. Sure? Does that confirm that I'm audible enough? You can hear me very well, very clear? Ofuma. Yes, confirm that while we wait for. Yeah, great. Great. So let's wait and see one more person joining us so we can begin. Okay, while we are waiting for that person, let's be having a conversation. Let's enjoy our time here. Kee maka ọrụ gị, ọ na-agakwa ọfụma? Adaeze, kee maka ọrụ gị. Yes. Kee maka ọrụ gị. Yes, I'm still asking you. We're conversing now. Asị m kee maka ọrụ gị, Adaeze. Waiting for your response. I hope you are getting me. Asị m kee maka ọrụ gị. I think somehow network delays this response. I don't know. Okay, ọ na-aga ọfụma. Excellent. Excellent. Ọ dị mma. Daalụ. Ezinụlọ gị kwa, nne gị na nna gị ha dịkwa mma? Kee maka nne gị na nna gị, ha nọkwa ọfụma? Ha na-emekwa ọfụma? Mm-hmm. Your words are not in the proper form. Could it be you don't have the keyboard, Igbo keyboard on your phone or computer? Because your words doesn't come with the right dots where it should be. What happened? Yeah, I'm still waiting. I asked for that question. Kee maka nne na nna gị? Mm-hmm. Ha dịkwa mma o. Yes, waiting for that. Waiting for that response. Ketandrus just dropped a chat and left. He is not in the class. I don't know why. Maybe she came in before the time. Okay, Mazi Clement, ndewo. Ụtụtụ ọma o. Sherry Mango. Kee ka ị mere? Kee ka ị mere, Sherry Mango? Nwada Soibi. Daalụ. Okay, how many of us have gotten our ebook? If you know you have downloaded your ebook, let me hear that from you. If you have downloaded your ebook, say I've got mine. Si enwetere m ya, dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Enwetere m ya. Okay, Princess say enwere ya. Okay, but it should have been enwetere m ya. You missed something out there, Princess. If you've gotten your ebook, confirm. Princess has confirmed. Who else has gotten her own or his own? Sherry Mango, have you got your book? Clement, have you got your book? Please confirm as we go on to start the lesson now. All right, I got one confirmation. I want to hear from others if they've got their ebook. Now let's continue our lesson today. Please, I'm still waiting for Clement and Sherry Mango to confirm if they've got their ebooks, and if there's any challenge in getting that, let me know, please. Confirm you've got your book. It's either you've got it or you will get it today, or you don't know how to get it, so that I can guide you again. Right. Moving on from where we stopped last week, we are continuing. Remember, we're dealing with special or unique words, their meaning, and we're making sentences with them. So, the first word we're dealing with today, okay. Sherry Mango say, Aga m ịzụ ugbu. No, I didn't ask you to buy, Cherry Mango. I didn't ask you to buy. I said, go download it. It's free for channel members. You are not to buy. I hope you know how to get your book from your PEC page. Okay, you go to the button, go to my home page, and you see where it is, where we have the word PECs. PECs. Click on PECs. It will open up. And then click on any of the PECs there. It will drop down all the options, and you see free ebook plus audiobook, and you see a link under it where you have to click to download the book. Sherry Mango, do you get me? Don't go and buy. I didn't ask you to buy. It's free for you. Yes, Sherry Mango, can you confirm that you know how to get the book, or I should guide you on how to get it? Just follow what I explained. How about Clement? Have you got your book? No response yet. All right, let's go on. While I'm waiting for those responses. Now, the first word today is point. Point finger or point to. Okay, point on something. Okay, right, good. All right, point. How do we say point at? Point at, or just point to in Igbo? Yes, this one, as you point at something. How do we say that in Igbo? Point your finger. What does it mean in Igbo? That is the first word for today. Yes, let's go. What does it mean? Clement, are you still in the class? I'm not getting your feedback. Yes, let's go. What is point? Point finger. Okay, Sherry Mango, did you just get it now? Did you get the book? Did you download it just now? Sherry Mango. Hmm? You just downloaded it now? Okay. Now, Clement is the only one that have not given me feedback on the book. The way you guys are writing, I got it. It's not correct. It's enwetara m ya. Okay. Enwetara m ya. Okay. Enwetara m ya. What is Clement writing? You can as well write enwere m ya. You guys, you didn't put M to show you are referring to yourself. You are writing. Enwere m ya. You can say I got it. Enwere m ya, or I have it. Enwetara m ya. I've gotten it. Okay. That is okay. Cherry Mango, you just downloaded it now. That's fine. Okay. Clement, you wrote test. What do you mean by test? I asked you whether you have gotten your ebook. You said test. What is test here? I don't know what you mean. Clement, what do you mean? All of my responses were not going through. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Okay, at least we are getting your response now. Nakendewo, no na class. So you can try again, Clement, because we've got what you typed now. Maybe it's network problem. All right, given our first word for today. Nake, have you gotten your ebook? Have you gotten your book? Please confirm. We've given you our first word today, which is point, finger. And then I say we should say what it means in Igbo. Nobody has responded. Yes, please, Nake, do that after the class. Download your book. I believe you know how to do that. Right. I've given the first word for today, which is point finger, and nobody has said anything about it. If you don't know what it means, you say you don't know. Am I? So I know I'm not expecting an answer from you. If you know, do drop the answer so that we can move on. Point finger. What does it mean in Igbo? Okay. Princess wrote isi. I believe isi is something else. I'm talking about point finger, like point at. Yes. Any other option? Any other option apart from what Princess wrote? Princess is not even sure. She's asking question. Mime, okay. How about Clement? How about Soibi? Cherry Mango? Any idea? If you don't know, just write a mime, just the way Nake, Big Nake wrote his own. So we know we're not expecting you. And then we'll move on. Akam Missy, a mime. Princess say a mime. Good. Clement say Akam Missy. Okay. Akam Missy, you're referring to finger, but I'm talking about pointing the finger. Okay, that's good. At least only Sherry Mango has not said anything about it. I don't know. This is the point. Raw aka point. Raw aka. That is point. Point at. Okay. That is the meaning of pointing your finger. Raw aka. Okay. Now the sentence is um, point at him. Point at him. Point at him. That's the sentence. Point at him. Okay? Point at him or point at her. They will actually mean the same thing in Igbo language. Point at him or point at her. Okay? Princess has said something. Yes, I wait for others. Point at him or point at her. They will mean the same thing in Igbo language. What will it be? Okay, Nake is in. Princess is in. Nake is in. Yes, any other option? Before I mark the script. Sherry Mango, where are you? Clement, where are you? Point at him. Point at her. Yes, Sherry Mango. Clement, what do you say? Okay, Sherry Mango is in. Clement is in. Okay, let me mark the script because these are the ones I can recognize their names here. Princess, Roakaya. No, the order is not okay. Nake, Royaka, correct. That is the perfect order. Cherry Mango, Royaka, correct. That is the order. Clement, Roakaya, no. The order is Royaka, Royaka. So two people got it, two people missed it. Okay, but that's a good effort. Good effort. Number 2 word today is quiet. 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 Absence of noise. Quiet. Quiet. I hope I get the English spelling. Quiet. I hope that is the English spelling for that. Absence of noise, What is it called in Igbo? Yes, let's go. What is quiet in Igbo? Yes. Any option? Any idea? Waiting, waiting for you. Clock is ticking. What is quiet? Ngwame Osiso. Mm-hmm. Okay, Clement has replied. I wait for others to come turn in their answers. Yes. One answer received. Let me have the others. Mm-hmm. Waiting for you. You don't know. Mime. You know. You give us the answer. Where are you, Princess? Where are you, Nake? Where are you, Cherry Mango? Oh, Princess say I sent my answer, but it was not delivered. Unfortunately, your answer was not delivered. Can you resend it? Clement, Nake also said that answer though. What is happening? Network is really dealing with us. What is the issue? Your answers are not being delivered though, unfortunately. And your English complaint is being delivered, yeah, and your proper answer is not delivered. Okay. Clement said, Asim Wayo. Okay. Can you see it now? No, I've not seen it, Princess. Can you resend it? Sorry about that. I saw your English question, but I don't see the answer in Igbo. Okay. All right. Princess, I've seen it. Nkiti. Okay. 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 Yes. Is Cherry Mango still there? Cherry Mango, what is your response? No response from you. Yes. Are you coming in? Cherry Mango, I should go ahead and mark. Okay. Clement said Udo. It's not Udo. Udo is peace. Nake said Wayo. Wayo is calmness or gentle. That is not quiet. The nearest is Princess that wrote Nkiti. Okay. Azipurum. What do you say? Cherry Mango, what do you mean? Azipurum. Are you saying you went out for a message? Or you sent your answer because I have not seen your answer. I sent it. It was not delivered. Sorry about that. Can you resend it now? Many people had the same problem. They have to send it twice. It's network issue. Can you resend, Sherry Mango? Resend your answer now. The answer was not delivered. It's network issue. In fact, you were counted off before, and then you return back. It's network problem. Can you resend it now? So Nkiti is the nearest from Princess. Okay. Now we can say Ba Nkiti. And the I have to have dot under actually. Okay. The eyes should have dot under them. Okay. Another word is deredu, deredu, deredu. Okay. So if you are using any of these two can be used, bankete. But bankete is mostly used when you are speaking and it says stop speaking. Keep quiet. Don't speak. Okay. It's dered bankete. But deredu too, both of them are used interchangeably. Deredu, keep quiet. Banketi, keep quiet. So these are the way they write two of them. Okay. Or not, or Baranketi. Okay. Or the redo. But one thing here you should know is that the most times nkiti or do doesn't stand alone like that. They always go together in this phrase, like phrasal verb, banketi, the redo. But the noun form of it will be nkiti or do, as the case may be. So either of the two is fine. Okay. All right. Okay. Sherry Mango said, I am saying nkiti, ntiti. Okay, your spelling is not correct. Is that what you meant? It's not ntiti, it's nkiti. It's K, not T. The first one is K, nkiti. Cherry Mango. Are you getting that? It's not ntiti. It's not T, it's Kiti, nkiti. But you are writing is very fine because you have dot under the I. You should have dot under the I. Okay, let's go. Um, Sometimes we also say the Jew, but that is not exactly perfect for this. Okay. Now let's make a sentence. Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet over there. Let me make it longer. Please keep quiet over there. Please keep quiet over there. Ngwa, there. That's Igbo. Write it in Igbo now. Please keep quiet over there. Okay, Sherry Mango is in. Please keep quiet over there. Sherry Mango, listen to me. You will see you're missing something. Please keep quiet over there. You tried actually, but something is missing. Please keep quiet over there. Good effort, but something is missing if you listen to me properly. Please keep quiet over there. Yes, more contributions we've got from Sherry Mango. Let's have more contributions coming in. More contributions flowing in. Yes. Waiting. I got one from Sherry Mango. What are the rest saying? Princess, Clement, Big Nake. If you know you are in the class, let's know you are in the class. Drop your greetings. Contribute. Don't just be a silent student. Okay. Clement is in. Right. Nice one from Clement. Where is Princess? Where is Nake? Who else is in the class? The sentence is, please keep quiet over there. And we have given you the word for quiet. In Igbo, use it for the sentence. Princess say, I wrote my response. What is going on? You wrote your response. I got your complaint, but I don't get the response itself. We are able to receive your complaint, but the response itself is not delivered. Princess says, Wando, Eweliwe, don't be annoyed. Can you resend? It's not my problem, it's network problem. Nake say, Amaim. Princess, do resend it because Ziachia Ozo. Zite ya Ozo, Princess, Eweliwe, don't be annoyed. All right. YouTube filters out certain words. Why are they doing that? What is wrong with them now? Is there any setting I need to do for that? I don't know. Why? Why are they delivering some people's own and they are filtering some people's own? What is the problem with them? Please try to resend because other people's own are delivered. Clement own is delivered. Sherry Mango own was delivered. Do try to resend, please. I don't know what's going on with you two. Yes, I'm still waiting, Princess. Try to resend. Try to resend. While I'm waiting for that, I look at what other people have written. If you are in a class and you have not greeted us, you are not doing well, say write in the chat, just say something. That's the way to mark your attendance. Okay, Princess is delivered. That's good. It's delivered now. Don't stay in the class and be quiet and be unknown. We don't want anonymous students. Greet us. That way we can pick your name, return greetings to you, and know you are a member of the Igbo family. And know you are in the class today. Okay, that gives us joy to know you are in the class. Let's look at the answers supplied. Sherry Mango, I said you missed something. Your answer would have been the most perfect one if you had put Biko in front. I said, please keep quiet over there. But I was telling you, listen to me, you missed out something. That is Biko, please. Okay? So, Biko banu nkiti ebe ahụ. That is a perfect sentence. Clement wrote, Biko, deredu ebe ahụ. Stay correct. If you use deredu or bankiti, both are correct. Deredu ebe ahụ. That is still correct. And then Nake say, I don't know it. I'm Princess. Biko, bankiti ebe ahụ. Okay. Let me explain the difference between gbanụ nkịtị ebe ahụ or dere nudu ebe ahụ and deredu ebe ahụ. When you add nu, like Sherry Mango added, gbanụ, instead of saying gba nkịtị ebe ahụ, she wrote gbanụ nkịtị ebe ahụ. That nu at the back signifies plural. Unu is a short for unu. Okay? It signifies you are talking to a number of people, more than one person. So you are referring to you people, keep quiet over there. That is the difference. If you say bankiti, you are talking to one person, probably. But if you say banonkiti or derenu duebaho, you are referring to a number of people, plural. Is that clear? If you understood what I said, please say write A in the chat. Ịghọtara ihe m kwuru? Ọ bụrụ na ịghọtara ya, dee A na chat. N'ebe a na-ede ihe, dee ya A. If you got what I explained, do that now. Okay, Sherry Mango got it. Who else got what I said? Reply me by saying A. Let's go to the next word. Okay, the next word is resist. Resist. You know, resist or oppose can also be the same thing. No, no, no. Clement, not the redunu. It's the renudu. Okay. It's not the redunu. So this is the next word. You can say unu deredu, not deredu unu. You can say unu deredu, but the best way to write it is derenudu. That's the best way. Simple. I've given the next word. You said derenudu, not deredu unu. No. Okay, I've written the next word. What does that mean in Igbo? Resist or oppose. Let's go. What does that mean? Resist or oppose. Let's go there. Yes. Give it to us. Nye anyị ya, gịnị ka ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? Resist or oppose. What does it mean in Igbo? Let's go. Ngwa dee ya ọsịsọ. Ka anyị gaa n'iru. Yes. Ana m eche unu o. Okay, one answer received from Princess. Any other person? Sherry Mango. Okay. Sherry Mango has replied, waiting for Clement, waiting for Big Nake. Resist or oppose. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? Ngwa ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Let's go. Clement, Nake, what do you say? Okay. I got Clement's response. Remaining in Nake, for those I know they are here that are responding. Nake is in. I say, Amaimo. Okay. Good. Clement, your question mark is also, I'm also asking you the same question. Because ihun cherita is not what it should be. Let me address what Clement is trying to say. Maybe he didn't get what but I actually wrote it so that nobody will say I don't understand what you said. I wrote it. I say oppose, not opposite. So what Clement is trying to respond to is opposite. Opposite is ncherita iru. Ncherita iru. That is opposite in terms of direction. Opposite, standing against somebody, facing. That is ncherita iru, facing each other, opposite direction. Okay, that is what Clement is trying to write. Clement, is that okay? Is that am I right? That is what you are trying to write. When you wrote ihun cherita, okay? I think that is what you are talking about. But that's not what we are talking about. We are talking about opposing somebody, resisting something. Okay? Yeah, I guess that is what you are saying. So let's see those who got it right. Princess got it perfectly well with first attempt. Guzogide, guzogide. That is the perfect answer. Then Sherry Mango wrote nupu, nupu oisi. No, nupu isi is disobey. Is disobey. That is nupu isi. Nupu isi is disobey. Okay. Sherry Mango, do you understand that? Is not oppose. Oppose is guzogide. Sherry Mango, you get that? So Princess got the answer perfectly well. Oppose or resist is guzogide. Right, let's make our sentence. But we're going to make, okay, let me make the sentence in a way that will challenge what we knew before. I will oppose them. I will oppose them. I will oppose them. Let's see those who can be able to make use of what we knew before to make this sentence. I will oppose them. Oh, yeah, let's go. Write it. What should it be? I will oppose them. Yes. Yes. Let's go there. Give it to me. Princess has written. Princess has written. Let me see other people. Sherry Mango has written. Okay. More answers. Big Nake, where are you? Clement, what do you say to this? I will oppose them. What do you say, Clement? Big Nake. I will oppose them. Got two responses already. What are you saying, Clement? Gịnị ka i kwuru, Nnake? Clement is in. Wow, nice one. Nake, what do you say? You are the one we are waiting for now. Big Nake. Nake, give us your answer. So we can mark the script now. This is challenging what we knew before and the one we are knowing now, putting them together in perspective. Ngwa, dee ya ọsịsọ nna keke ebe ị nọ. Anyị na-eche gị o nnake. Egbula anyị oge. Don't waste our time. Egbula oge anyị o nnake. Kedu ebe ị nọ? All right, we're going to go to Mark. Maybe network is holding him back. I will oppose them. Princess wrote, Agam kuzogideha. You began well by saying, I will, but the other part is not okay. In a band, you didn't answer our question. You didn't say you don't know it. You didn't give us the answer. Gịnị ka ị na-ebe a na-eme? Ọ gịnị ka ị na-eme ebe a? No answer, no response. You didn't say you don't know it. You didn't supply the answer. Oh yeah, give us your answer now. If you don't know, you just say I don't know, or make attempt. Let's correct it if it's wrong. So Princess, big good starting but not ending well. Sherry Mango, Agam Iguzogidenu. Good starting also, but not ending well. Clement. Okay, Amaimo, that's better. Let's know you don't know. Clement, Agam, Eguzogideha. Whoa, Clement is the winner. Excellent sentence. I say, let's test what we knew before. In the verb transformation, you know, when I say I will, agam, something had to start in front of the parent verb. If you remember, when we did our Igbo verb transformation and usage in different form, will, and then is something present tense, present continuous tense, past tense, when we change Igbo to different forms. You remember this now. Whenever it is I will or I am doing something, the particular word will come in front of the parent verb, depending on the content of the parent verb, whether it has light vowel or heavy vowel. If it has light vowel, you put a in front of it. If it's heavy vowel, you put a in front of it. That's what I said. Let's test now. But Clement got it right. Agam e guzogide. He added a in front of guzogide. Okay, that is to make it I will oppose. Excellent work by Clement. I believe everybody got what I explained. Ọ bụrụ na ị ghọtara ya, sị m ee. Ọ bụrụ na ị ghọtara ihe m kwuru, dee ee. Ị ghọtara ihe m kwuru? Waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer. Mhm. Okay. Anybody that is answering me? Next one. Clement got it right. Okay. Next word is somehow. 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 Yes. Okay. Yes. Any trial for this? Yes. Anybody trying this? Anybody trying this out? Any idea? Ọnụ ọnụ ụzọ. Otu ụzọ. Okay. I think that's what you wrote. Otu ụzọ. Mm-hmm. Yes, any other person trying this? Anybody trying? Any other person trying this out? Anybody trying? Okay. Cherry mango. Ụfọdụ ụzọ. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mba. Clement. Mba. What about princess? What about princess? What do you say to this? Princess, what do you say to somehow? We've not got your answer. I hope it's not network again. Still expecting princess. Are we still expecting you, princess, to supply your answer? Maybe network again. Let's try this out. Nake almost got it perfectly well, but we can say, okay, ụfọdụ ụzọ. Okay, ụfọdụ ụzọ. Okay, that's good effort. But I think the best answer will be not just otu ụzọ, but n'otu ụzọ. N'otu ụzọ, somehow. N'otu ụzọ is not commonly used. Okay, somehow it happened. N'otu ụzọ, o mere. One way or the other, it happened. N'otu ụzọ. Okay. Sometimes also, um, sometimes we also use etuodi, okay, in some cases. Etuodi. I'm going to give you two scenarios for that. Etuodi. Okay. N'otu ụzọ. Let's try the first one. Somehow he did it. Somehow he did it. Somehow he did it. Or he did it somehow. Okay. This last one I wrote is D, not just D, but DI. I think I have to remove it. Okay. I wanted to write it to all the, my DI is not showing dot under. Okay. Somehow he did it. Somehow he did it. Yes, somehow he did it. N'otu ụzọ. Sherry Mango, good effort. Somehow he did it. Okay. Somehow he did it. Any other contribution? I got Sherry Mango's contribution. Okay, Clement, good effort. Somehow he did it. Good effort from Clement. Nake, what do you say? Princess, what do you say? Somehow he did it. Yes, Clement, Princess, somehow he did it. Any contribution from Princess and Nake? Somehow he did it. Yes. Is it network that's holding you? Nake, Princess, neighbor, Inoya. Mhm. Gịnị ka ị kwuru Maazị Nnake? Gịnị ka ị kwuru nwada Princess? Somehow he did it. I think network is holding you. I can't hear you. Who got it right? From these two, n'otu ụzọ, o meela ya. From Sherry Mango, it should be, and then Clement wrote, that's not very correct. The mailer you use there is like greeting on, okay? But it should be o mere ya. Clement wrote no to ụzọ, o e mere ya. No. You don't need to add e again in front of the mere. It shouldn't be, it's not necessary again. Rather, it just should be o mere ya. So it should be no to ụzọ, o mere ya. That is as simple as that. Who is that? A minute, please. Right. Okay. See here. Sorry. We're moving on. We've not rounded up. Um, the last word for now, for today, is transform. 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 Yes, transform. Transform is the last word for today, who is giving us that. Okay, Clement is writing a tuodi. Okay, you are asking me for example for a tuodi. Okay, I guess that is what you are asking me, Clement. Is that a tuodi? Okay, the sentence for that is what he did looks somehow. What he did looks somehow. Okay? What he did looks somehow. That's the sentence where we can use that. What he did looks somehow. What he did looks somehow. That's why we say we use a tuode. So this means ihe o mere nwere etu ọ dị. This is where we use that. Ihe o mere nwere etu ọ dị. This is where we use that particular etu ọ dị. What he did looks somehow. Ihe o mere nwere etu ọ dị. That is where the word somehow comes in. Okay? That's where we use etu ọ dị. You can see that the two somehow doesn't have exactly the same meaning. Right? Okay. Now let's look at the word before us, transform. Transform. What does it mean? Cherry Mango wrote something. What is Clement saying? Yeah, I've seen what you wrote, Cherry Mango. Yes, I've seen what you wrote. Clement, it appears only two of you are still in the class. Maybe the others have been engaged in other things. Yes. Clement, what is transform? Any idea? Any idea, Clement? Do you have idea for transform? Yes. Clement, where are you? Drop your answer if you have idea. If not, you say, am I him? Mba. Okay. I take that to mean that you don't know. Transform bụ nwogha. Nwogha, that is transform. Also, or that was written by Sherry Mango is also allowed, but it's double O. Or, it's like something changing to something else. Okay, is also allowed for that. So Sherry Mango is almost also correct. Well, or is used for change to something else. It changed to something. But transform is a total, change in nature of anything. But or can be used for any other thing. It became something, it turned to something, it changed to something. So that is what is a little bit different between two of them. Okay. Or can be used for became, or change to something else, but transform particularly is used for nwogha. That is the most perfect word for it in Igbo. Nwogha. Okay. Now, then let's have a little sentence with this. He transformed and became something else. He transformed and became something else. He transformed and became something else. Can anybody try that? Yes. Yes, any attempt? Any attempt? Okay, Sherry Mango. O nwughara na ghọrọ ihe ọzọ. Good effort. Good effort. Clement, are you trying this? O nwughara na ghọrọ ihe ọzọ. Okay. Good effort. Good try. Sherry Mango, you are really trying. Clement, any trial on this? Any trial, Clement? Any attempts? Any attempt, Clement? No attempt? All right. Let me write my own. Okay. O nwughara na ghọọ ihe ọzọ. O nwughara na ghọọ ihe ọzọ. Okay, that problem you had here is and. The right word to use is not na. In this case, it's ma. When two phrases are joined together, we don't use na, we use ma. I've said that before in some of our classes. O nwughara. We don't use na to join phrases. It's ma. Ma ghọọ ihe ọzọ. So that is the only thing people did not get, but it's a good effort. O nwughara ma ghọọ ihe ọzọ. So you don't use na to join phrases, you use ma. Okay? Ma ghọọ ihe ọzọ. Do you get that? You don't use na to join phrases, but ma. If it is two words or two items, use na, but phrases, you use ma. Is that clear? Ị nwetara ya? Ị nwetara ihe m kwuru? Sị m ee ma ọ bụ na ị nwetara ya. That's where we are drawing the curtain today. Yeah, good one. I want to appreciate some of you that came around today. It has been a nice class. If you know you've learned something today, please drop your emoji. Make sure you hit the like button. Give me your flowers if you have learned something today. And then try to practice with those things we've learned today, internalize them, use them in other conversations so that you can master them. See you next week. Emailer, Sherry Mango, thank you for your flower. Sherry Mango, have you gone back to UK or US? I believe you have gone back, right? I believe you have gone back long ago. Oh, the ma, there wo. And I'm in UK. Yes, I remember you are in UK. That's fine. Ngwa ka emesịa anyị ga-ahụ izu ụka ọzọ. Clement, make sure you get your book today. Oh. See you. They will KMSCA.